Hi, everyone. We're continuing the comparative genomic analysis section in PATRIC. And what I'm going to show you how to do now is to create a genome group. Earlier, we showed you how you could start with a list of unique genome identifiers and use the global search function to return a list of genomes. So these are the same genomes that we used in the other instructional video. Creating a genome group is really easy in PATRIC. Notice this checkbox here next to, in the first column across from genome name. If I go ahead and click that, it's going to auto-select all of the 39 genomes in PATRIC. Not in PATRIC, on this page. You notice when I did that, it populated this vertical green bar with possible downstream functions or actions that you could do. I could download the data in the table, I could copy it, I could see all the genomes, pretty much a view like I have here, or I could create a group, or I could remove individual genomes from the selection. What we want to do is to create a group. So let's click on this icon. Now, you may have groups created in PATRIC, but we want to create a new group. And let's call this whatever you want. I'm going to call it 39 Brucella genomes. Okay, so once I've done that, you notice that the blue button is highlighted, which means that I can add that group. So I'm going to add the group. And notice once I do that, a little pop-up box comes here to tell me that group successfully created. If I want to double check to make sure that that group is there, I can go into Workspaces, click on that, and then click on Home. Or actually, let's click on Genome Groups. So Workspaces, Genome Groups. I have a ton of genome groups. And, you know, you can see when I started a long time ago, any table in PATRIC, you can resort it by clicking on the table head. So to get to my most recently created one, I'm going to click on Created, and there it is. It says 39 Brucella genomes. I click on that. And then if I want to verify that everything's there, once again, look at this green bar with the downstream actions. I'm going to click on the genome group. It's going to overwrite the page. This is summing all the data for all the genomes in that group. But I want to check those genomes to see who they are. And it looks like those are my 39. Now that's the way you create a genome group in PATRIC. Very easy, dead easy. And let's say, let me click on one here. This Brucella seti Kudo, and this time I want to go to the genome page. So if I click here, I can add this genome to a group right here. So you can add things to an existing group if you want, and I could say, well, actually I could look at the most recent group, and there it is, even though it's a member of it, and I can say add that genome. And it's added that one item. So that's the way that you create a genome group in PATRIC. We're going to use this group in downstream exercises with the protein family sorter. We're going to step through each of these in our comprehensive genome analysis series. But at any time, if you have questions, if you don't understand something and you need some help, up here on the help icon or the help tab, we have tutorials, we have webinars, instructional videos, but also if you click on provide feedback, it'll give you a way to say, I can't create a group, I can't do something. And this will send a message directly to me, and I'll get in contact with you and help you. So thanks for listening, and keep watching the series so you can learn how to use the protein family sorter. And thank you for using PATRIC.